Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be rating Fidgets again. There's going to be more rating Fidget videos for quite a long time because I'm getting even more like every day. So the first one we're going to be rating, and also like and subscribe, and turn notifications on. The first one we're going to be rating is this Among Us puppet. It's nice and colourful. The colours mixed together. Well, at the top I don't get why there's blue in it. So I would rate this an 8 out of 10. The next one is this snapper. I would rate this one a 5 out of 10 because it hurts your hands when you squish it. The next one is this, which has a monkey noodle in it. I love monkey noodles. I have a load. The only colours I've not got is red and blue. I would rate this one 7 out of 10. Because I don't really like the colour, but I like how it's neon. It's like neon-y. If you can hear like the rain outside, it's raining really badly where I live, and I've got windows everywhere in this room. The next one is another one of these. This one's hard to open. There. This is a neon yellow monkey noodle. I would give this one a 9 out of 10. The next one we're going to be rating, actually the last one we're going to be rating, is this squishy neon stress ball. Comment down below what do you think is inside this. My friend had one of these, but it broke, and she said glue came out of it. But she never actually had one. So she was lying to me. But comment down below what you think's inside this. It sounds like there's milk in it. I would rate this one an 8 out of 10. So that was the last fidget we were going to be rating. Remember to like and subscribe, turn the notifications on, and see you in my next video. Bye!